These are the instructions for installing the Hain Company's micromeasuring system on your saw stand. The unit ships with a mounting bracket for your saw stand. Attach the bracket to the stand and then the saw to the bracket. The bracket is universal, fitting just about any big box store chop saw. Take the measuring system and look for the two holes on the underside. Those holes mount to the height adjustment bolts on the bracket. Extend the folding legs. Check to make sure the measuring system table is flush with the saw. If not, adjust the height of the bolts. The measuring system comes calibrated in the box, but let's check to make sure everything's positioned properly. Move the scale to 0. Using a measuring tape, verify that stop 1 is 10 inches from the saw. That's it. You're ready to start cutting. The measuring system can be configured to meet your specific needs. To install an in-feed table, add a right-sided mounting bracket to your saw stand. Extend the table legs. And rest it on the height adjustment bolts on the right saw stand bracket. Multiple sizes of in-feed tables are available. Extension brackets can be added to increase the length of the outfeed table. In fact, the measuring system itself can be extended. There's also a folding model that extends the system while maintaining maximum mobility. It requires an additional stand with adjustable height, and will work with just about any type. If you have questions, we have answers. Give us a call today.